My name is Bill. I've had 2 procedures done here, all the uppers at one time, and then all the lowers at another time.
Bill had been coming here for a number of years, but things over time were just failing. He was getting decay underneath crowns, he was breaking his existing teeth, and little by little, he was working himself to a full denture.
I had partials, so I went through that phase that got tiresome and taking them out, soaking them and all that stuff. So I asked Dr. Drew to explain to me about these implants I've been hearing about. And he thought I was a good candidate for it, and he recommended a doctor in New London.
We made the decision to refer him to Shoreline Periodontics to see Dr. Toback to see what other options were available for him. And what Dr. Toback and I came up with was a stage plan where we replaced his entire upper dentition with 6 implants and then a screw-retained appliance.
We did the lower ones. I was a little apprehensive, but he worked with Dr. Toback in collaboration with him. And so he sent me over there. Then Dr. Toback sent me back here, the prep stuff and all he has to do. Then they operate together. We go over to Dr. Toback's office, we put you out, and there you are. It's pretty smooth.
That, believe it or not, was all Bill came for at that time. But the result was so good, and he was so happy, that within 2 years he decided he wanted the exact same thing to his lower dentition.
I wanted the second ones done faster than they wanted me to do them, so. But they put up with me, and because the first ones worked really well, so I wanted to get going. And then finally we got through it, and they did a bang-up job.